Hi, I am Dr. Harish Ken, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dayanand Sir College of Engineering, Bangalore. Welcome to the session Zone Refining Method. Start with zone refining. What is zone refining? So it is a purification process. It is primarily used to purify metals and semiconductors like gallium arsenide and silicon. So this zone refining process is first introduced in 1951. Why this purification process is required? Purification of metals and semiconductors. For example, you take a silicon semiconductor. The silicon semiconductor is used in the construction of photovoltaic cell. If the silicon is impure, so if you are using this impure silicon in photovoltaic cell, the efficiency of the photovoltaic cell will decrease. So these photovoltaic cells will not tolerate the impurities present in the silicon. So that's why we need to purify the metals or semiconductors before using it for applications. The zone refining is one of the methods for purification of metals and semiconductors. Based upon the grades of impurities, so these are graded into three parts or three categories. First one is metallurgical grade silicon, semiconductor grade silicon, solar grade silicon. In metallurgical grade silicon, it contains both intentional and unintentional impurities. Presence of high concentration of impurities prevents the use of metallurgical grade silicon in solar cells. Semiconductor grade silicon. It is a more refined form, so highly purified silicon, and the impurity level is very less. The impurity levels will be in terms of ppb level, parts per billion level. This type of silicon is very expensive for making solar cell because the purity is very good, so that's why automatically the cost will be higher. These solar cells can tolerate higher concentration of impurities than semiconductor grade silicon without affecting the efficiency of the solar cells. So that's why we are moving to the solar grade silicon. So in the solar grade silicon, the silicon with substantial amount of impurities within tolerable grade. So therefore, the solar grade silicon lies in between metallurgical grade silicon and semiconductor grade silicon. So these solar grade silicon are suitable for photovoltaic cell. This solar grade silicon can be prepared by zone refining method. In zone refining method, so metallurgical grade silicons are converted into solar grade silicon. So in zone refining method, so we can get the silicon of 99.99% purity can be obtained. The principle of this zone refining method is when a solid is melted, the impurities tend to concentrate in the molten zone. So this is a vertical zone refiner which contain a metallurgical grade silicon or impure silicon rod. This impure silicon rod stands vertically, clamped at both the ends, and this is kept in a closed chamber. So this is what the argon gas inlet. So we are passing a argon gas. So in presence of argon gas, in maintaining we are doing this process. This is what the RF coil, radio frequency coil for heating. The heater or the heater is moved slowly. Heater or RF coil is moved slowly from top to bottom. So this is said to be one zone pass. Impurities move with the molten part of the material as the RF coil moves down. Pure silicon solidifies at the upper portion. When the process is complete, the bottom portion, so where the impurities are concentrated, is removed. So the rod is subjected to several zone passes to get ultra pure silicon. So this is what about the zone refining process. Thank you.